Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SmartTube on Samsung TV in 2 minutes. So first, grab your TV remote, go to settings, then security and restrictions, toggle unknown sources on. This lets us install apps outside the Samsung store. Don't worry, SmartTube is safe. Next, open the TV's built-in browser, go to smarttube.next. Download the latest stable app. Download the latest stable APK. Accept any download prompts. Show file downloading in browser bar. Once downloaded, open My Files on your TV. Find the Downloads folder and select the SmartTube APK. Wait 10 seconds, then it's installed. Do not open it yet. Head back to Settings, then Security, and disable unknown sources for safety. Now, open SmartTube from your apps, log in with Google, skip sponsor prompts, and enjoy ad-free YouTube. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.